Hey, my brand influencers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be me applying these press-on nails and shaping them and making them look like they are acrylics. So all you'll need is just, I have I just decided to have like nail art, and you'll need press-on nails. I got these from my local beauty supply store. They're medium length, they're natural color. They were $4.99 to $7.99, I think. They had a bunch of them, so I decided just to go with this because I wanted something that looked very natural, because I'm not doing anything extra, so I really don't need no long nails right now. That's my nail polish box. I have a nail buffer and 3 nail files. The nails also come with a cuticle pusher and a nail file. I didn't know that, but I just, just bought additional nail files just in case. Because, nail files are, all nail files are different. Like, some are just for shaping. Some are just for buffing. Some are just for, everything else. I ain't going to get into detail. But I decided to paint the nails because I didn't like how they looked natural. They looked fake. Matter of fact, we're just gonna say that. So that is my cuticle pusher and my nail clippers that I found in my nail polish box that I forgot that I had. But I also forgot that you'll need some cuticle cutters, but I couldn't find mine at the time. I don't know, I just be misplacing stuff. So yeah, after the video, I just found it. It just magically appeared in my face, and I cut it afterwards. So now I'm just reading how to apply the nails. It's best if you just apply some glue to the acrylic nail, the press-on nail, and your actual nail. And you also should soak your nail in acetone and shape it, not shape it, but file it down to make it stretchy. So the acrylic nail / press-on nail will attach to your nail. So now I'm just going in with this glue that they included with the press-ons. And now I'm just filing my nails to make them stretchy so the nail will apply. You see, I applied a small amount of glue, which I should have applied a lot of glue to my nail and the actual press-on. But I later on found that out the next day when I woke up, because one of them was barely hanging on. So I had to apply some more glue. I already pushed my nails back prior to this video, so y'all didn't see me push my cuticles back and shape my nails or whatever. I already was getting prepared for the video. I should have done that. I'm sorry. For the next video, I'll include every single thing that I do to my nails to the video. So yeah, now I'm just applying the nails. The nails have numbers underneath them, so that's how I knew what nail to put on the opposite hand, because I'm predominantly left-handed. So I started with my right hand because that'll be easier for me. So as you see, I'm just applying some glue. I really didn't apply enough, but it's a first time thing. I learned, you live and you learn. So next time I do a video with me doing my nails, I'll apply a bunch of glue and I'll include all my steps on what I did to achieve my look. Oh, by the way, my nails look horrendous because I just took off my acrylics. If I haven't stated that already, I soaked my nail in some acetone, 100% pure acetone, for 30 minutes, and I kept shaping and filing my nails down until it got very thin, till I can peel off the acrylic. And then I shaped and filed it some more. Then I got prepared for this video. I already had my cuticles pushed back. That's a nail file I bought at the beauty supply store as well. That's a shortening file. So in case I wanted to make my nails shorter, because in the beauty supply store, I was thinking like, I want to go short. But the press-ons, they are good enough. They are a good length. They're not too long or not too short. So now I'm just kind of like shaping them a little bit. That's the nail polish I decided to use. It is Lime Mojito, I think. OMG, guys, let me tell you, while I was trying to paint my nails, it was so difficult. Like I said, because I'm left-handed. So me trying to do my left hand, it was so hard because I kept smudging it. I kept hitting it on stuff. So I had to keep pausing the video and redoing it. So I did probably like 2 or 3 retakes of me trying to redo it. And I just got fed up. So I was just like, you know what? It is what it is. Because these going to look very natural. They going to look like they're actually my nails and not any press-ons. Y'all see me with my glasses on. Y'all can tell it was pretty late at night because I didn't have my contacts in. So I had on my glasses. I think I was doing this like around midnight, if not. It had to be around 10:30, 11 o'clock when I decided to do this. And the nail polish is so old and cheap, y'all. Like, it's like $1.50. I bought it from a beauty supply store as well. But I've had it for a while. I didn't buy it when I purchased all the stuff that I needed for this video. Yeah, it was so old and so thick. I had to put some nail polish remover in it to thin it up a little bit so it can apply better. Because it was making like the little air bubbles. Then it was going on clumpy. So like I said, I had to take it off and put it back on. And then, like I said, I kept hitting it on stuff. And it just kept smudging. And I just keep getting mad. Also, for to the cleanup process, what I did to clean up the extra nail polish on the side of my nails, I just got like a small to medium makeup brush that is kind of like a concealer brush in a way. You know, it's kind of slim at the tip. I just dipped that in nail polish remover to go around my perimeter and clean up the excess nail polish that I had. But I know I didn't do it in the video because I had to wait a couple, basically I waited an hour for my nails to dry and to do what all I was going to do. I finished up everything after my nails dried. So I filed my nails. I cleaned up the excess nail polish afterwards. So I didn't get to film that, but I'm just going to tell you what I did. So this is why I'm doing this voiceover. You see I'm putting nail polish at the tip of the nail so you don't see like the edge of it. I don't know why I decided to do that. I guess because I seen them do that at the nail salon with my nails. So I was just like, oh, okay, well, I'm going to do that too because I see them doing that. But so far, so good. They look okay. They don't look too shabby. They look, they look decent. We just going to say they look cute. And plus, it's just my first attempt on trying to do press-ons and applying nail polish to them. But they look cute. I'm going to do another video like this. But the nails that I'm going to buy, they're going to already be polished and shaped. So it'll be easier for me on my behalf. Because this was just like a quick little, decision that I had made. Because I was just like, let me take off these acrylics because they're looking horrendous. I really need a filler. So I was just like, well, I'm going to try to save money and do something different. So I just So I just decided to buy some press-ons. And if y'all hear somebody in the background talking, it's my sister and her best friend and her son. They're downstairs watching Greenleaf. So if y'all hear something, it's probably them. And plus, y'all know my baby Toby. He was in the video just a couple minutes ago. His nosy self. I had to apply like several coats of this nail polish because the nail polish remover made it kind of thin. But yes, those are the end results. As I got done polishing it, I applied clear coat as well off camera. They look okay. They don't look too bad. So that's the end result. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my channel.